Hello everyone and welcome to my Odoo Tech. In today's video's tutorial, I will show you how to enable the registration form on the Odoo login page. By default, Odoo does not allow the user sign up freely and the don't have an account sign up option is hidden. However, Odoo provide an easy way to enable this feature, allowing user register themselves effortlessly. This feature is especially useful for business running e-commerce store, customer portal, or multi-user system where users should be able to sign up without administrator approval. Let's go step by step to active the free sign up option in Odoo. First step, open your Odoo instance in web browser. Enter your admin user name and password, then click the login button. So I will log in via admin. Only admin user have access to modify system settings, so this step is essential. Second step is once login, navigate to the top menu and click on the settings button. This will be open a main settings panel where you uh, manage various configurations for your Odoo instance. Okay. On the left hand side panel, you will see multiple categories. Click on the general settings to access the primary configuration option. So here visible multiple category, but I will select the general settings and scroll down until you find the permission settings section. Okay, permission settings section here. Located the customer account setting here, customer account settings. So customer settings in two options. I will see first is on invitation and second is a free sign up. So what mean of in on invitation and what mean of free sign up? So uh, on invitation means user can only sign up if invited by an administrator, and free sign up means allow any user to register freely without admin interventions. Okay, so I will select free sign up, allow the new user to register themselves instantly. Okay, so after selecting free sign ups and click save button. Wait a few seconds, Odoo apply the changes. Once saved, the system will update to allow user registration. Click on your profile icon and uh, select a logout button. This will take you back to the Odoo login page. Okay. On the login page, you should now see the tags don't have an account sign up page. Click on the sign up here and registration form will be appear here. This form allow user to enter their details and create account instantly. To confirm everything is working correctly, enter the test credential. So write the test email right here, gmail.com, and write paste, password is paste, and paste confirm. Now click click sign up to register new user. Is the new account create. If everything is set up correctly, you will be logged in. Okay, if everything is set up correctly, you will be logged into Odoo with a newly created account. Okay, now here visible your all detail is the username and is the user email address. Okay, congratulations, You have successfully enabled the registration form on the Odoo login page. Now a new user can sign up and create their own account without any requiring admin approval. This feature is extremely useful for business operating and e-commerce websites, customer portals, or employee self-service systems. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my Odoo Tech for more Odoo related tutorial and expert solutions. Have you any query or need additional help? Drop a comment below. I will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.